You see it? Yeah. Enough of our leaders them is affected by that egotistic thing where in order to feel good about themselves, they have to have somebody to feel better than. You see it? And there's nobody else of them can attempt to feel better than them. Each other down so them use the knowledge where them have and make it look like because me know it and you don't know it or I feel the way I do or I am of the opinion that I am of and you are not. You are an inferior being. You are the reason why other people look at us the way they do. You see, nonsense, bullcrap, as science has been implied on our people, on us, and still is being reinforced. And, today, yes, it's being facilitated by other races and a whole, mostly unconsciously as well. But, we need to face our reality and challenge these issues. And I give thanks.
Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, sir. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, and all things that's good. You see, I man wants to welcome our viewers and subscribers. See? Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and let's help grow the channel. You see? Yeah. So we're gonna continue upon a certain subject where I man observe amongst I and I. You see? No other race at this point in time no reason for want know any history about black people apart from slavery. You see, because it's not their business, it's not their interest. You understand? Because of them parents, them race, I feed them race, I teach them where them need to know, and them trust them and accept all of them lessons. Yeah. You see, big up yourself, Mark Springer, big up yourself, Jabi, big up yourself, Ija Star, Mad Love and Respect, Mama Serena Atkins, Lisa Smith, seeing all of the original foundation people, them, and the new people, them too, Mad Love and Respect, because very soon, a foundation, by next week, on a foundation. See, tomorrow on a foundation. Mad love and respect and appreciation. Appreciate love. See? Yeah, but at them I teach history and at them I teach one another history. See, and the history where them have is reinforcing the stereotype. See, even though it might be unconscious, enough of them don't know. I just saw it go. See, we need, and them not have no other reason either. See, so the slave mentality will affect us, are the discrediting education will affect black people to a degree, where black people even diminish them own worth. You have all heap of us. That's why we have so much fight and misrepresentation amongst us. You have people black people who them desire, lifelong desire, have to fight against argument like them, yeah. You see, look on bushing it. Well, we never going to school, we never call a name because again, like me, I tell you, it's a science and it affect them. It literally a work because they have reinforcing tactics and method that is being employed every day. You have to basically watch feet. You have to away right from long time. You see, and again, them people are proficient and nice, educated, good-looking people too. See, so we don't mind switch them and get them not on our side, but on for them right side, Rasta, because them enough of them don't know what them are do. You don't see it. know, see, this science, and from this, so we have to observe, say, and that are the reason why we still a struggle today. You know, see it. You know, see it. Black people's main knowledge of themselves is slavery, and it's a very disparaging, disgraceful memory, Rasta. And then you walk past and interact and serve and friend and intermingle with the people them who perpetuate that most atrocious thing on you. And them recognize it, even to this day. To them, I watch Sky News this morning, them interview a Jewish sufferer of a Jewish survivor of the Holocaust, and she's declaring that, I mean, her struggle is the worst struggle that's ever happened, being perpetuated on humanity. An alive woman today is saying this. You understand? She don't have no reason to recognize any other body's atrocities than her, like her own, or than her own. Everybody's struggle is the wickedest. It's like only we don't recognize our struggle in depths. Like the science that caused it, the reason, the purpose for it, like there isn't a purpose for it. I mean, the time, you know, them could have grown cane and sugar, Rasta. You know, see that them are grow it right here now. You plant cotton in the ground, it stay there for a year, and next year you go reap it. And stay for another year and you go reap it again and process it. Yes, it's a bit of work, but you know, it's work, it's hard work. But again, when I say compare to the time, you know, them and that way them I say the narrative is just the time, you know, them couldn't do it, them dead out. It's a lie. You know, see it. You know, see, there's a purpose why black people in the Caribbean and why they bring other people in the Caribbean. We're now going on that right now. You know, see, but the inequality and the inhumane treatment, the dehumanizing strategy and thing like that, seeing where them use and the education where them use and the way how our foreparents them did have to teach them children, so watch everything where they must say a true seed of Christ, white for true, and not and totally wipe out anything, any black knowledge out of the argument are to complete. Our black people them did have to do that based on the brutality, the level of brutality where them up for face. If anybody get found or anybody get find out for a chat them type of thing or repeat certain type of thing, I go on like them have no ambition for return to Africa or resurrect black culture or anything like that. It was far more brutal than now when YouTuber, you know, do what them fi do. You know, see it. So we have to, if we not observe them thing and try dissect and backtrack, so that's we can retreat and re-educate the sick, seeing and heal. We not really move forward, you know, as a people, so that we can now be an example and re-educate other races. Because, you know, if we is this affected, because if you don't agree with me and follow me so far, if we are disaffected, because if our parents, choose life over death and choose for so well, then we not teach them nothing about Africa, we not teach them the language, we not teach them the culture and nothing. We just don't say, master the ruler, master superior, master is everything. Hence the reason why we have whole heap of black people can just so in and the whole of them and go around in themselves and I go on like say, such as likes, and you have some people in the comment where look upon our youth like me and say me a praise back our master. I work them I work for the slave master because them I try to diminish the enemy and I try to discredit I and I effort and I try to give I some money agenda, some other agenda other than, you know, what I need, or the race need, what the world we need. You know, see it. You know, see it. So, at some high level, a psychological science has been implied and practiced by we over the years, man. And we have to accept it and see it as that Rasta. You know, see it. And again, the reverse was implied, you know, see it, without force by the other races and feed them. Them have to teach them the same thing where them teach we. obviously, to maintain the status quo. You cannot teach them, say, we are only beating them and treating them like dogs because we feel like it, but really and truly, they are our brothers and sisters. They are just like us. They are equal, and can do everything that whatever rate they are. No, it wouldn't make sense. You know, see, that would defeat the whole process. They would have obviously are educated. Listening, they might beat you. Sure, you say you're unequal, you're subhuman, you're this, you're the N-word, you're that. So imagine when them teaching them children too. Remember, children have a different emotion and understanding and acceptance than normal human being, you know. You know, I forget little baby below a certain age accept them thing there as being normal, you know. You really have to brainwash them, pick the day in a rasta. You have to, you can't, and like you can't, yeah. Everything what you are do regarding the education or whatever you are transferred to that child or stuff, that one have to be radical. You know, see it? Bitter and brutal too. You might not think what you are doing, even the child might not think and feel the damage and see the damage as is apparent today, while we see generations after white people still say, and I maintain certain status quo. And I still you know what I say? See, so the science is still being reinforced, renewed, and constant manipulation to this day. You know, see it, even and them, other races as well. You know, see it. So in order to unwind them thing there, we ourselves have to becomes aware of what's literally affecting us, so that we can retransfer the positive energy in the area where it desire, seeing and be aware of where the negative energies can come from and how them can come about. You know, see, meaning, you know, the charms them, the value, the protection, the potential them with offer to the ambitious. You know, see, are removed from the whole process. So you find say some guy just have the motivation again for this, because enough of them are just inflamed rhetoric. Them come here so weird as well. You know, see, some little thing with them see other people are say. I hear other people are say. Them not do no research, you know, you can regurgitate anything where you see. See? No, if your feelings and your spirit and it just not add up. If it's certain thing, only by misinformation out there, and your spirit have to just know, say, it not add up. It not communicate. It not, you know, see it. Yeah. So we have to be aware of that science, Rasta. We have to focus on the science. There is a science that's being implied on humanity, and the shit in that scientific stick is us, and we have it in our hand. You know, see, and we have to disentangle ourselves from the manipulation of this stick. You know, see, and it's so perfect that it never have to manipulate our people them much for them use it on each other. You know, see it, because them beliefs them is inferior to everybody else, and it's human nature to have this level of this aura, this where they call with them, especially them give man that type of name there where them say man go and match up. You know, see it, yeah. Then it's human nature to try establish that, especially nowadays later, part of the evolution of man. To put it simple, you know, see it, for one, manifest that level of ego these days. You know, see it, so man want to have something or somebody to feel better than. I got own a dog, no Rasta. You know, go own an animal or a pet. Why you want to treat your proper, regular, normal human fellow citizen like a dog, Rasta, or an animal? You know, see it? Yeah, and that's the thing there. See? And if we not prepare ourselves to go this deep with tolerance and recognition for each other, you see, we now know where we go. We trap and we have the key. We lock in our box and we have the key in there. In our hand miggle to and like the box dark and the key up on the ground. We have the key in our hand miggle and we no bright enough for just put the key in the lock and unlock the door, Rasta. You see, no matter what go on, man, how many millions of years it going to take to get the whole of Africa, the whole black race on the same common ground. You see, apart from the struggle with black people, it's a disgrace, Rasta. When you're looking at Africa, how way black people see, especially Western black people see, with the access to the knowledge, the secrecy, the observation, the interaction with those who are considered to be the enemy, facilitators of the enemy's agenda, and so forth. You understand what I say? Where is the influence or the effort or the attention for try enhance the state of Africa so that it can be a challenge or a recognized force on the earth for uno grandchildren and people. You have all heap of man right here now, influential black man in the West, Rasta. You have groups of influential black man. It's like the science. You have influential black man in the West, Rasta, we can go organize Africa. Just with popularity and things like that, people will look at him and say, I'm observing the strategies and the structures of politics and them sort of thing there and go down there with the influence, and you'll be surprised how much president get move and shift up and the agenda would have become so popular that the rest are resistant to that, just find themselves diminished or come to the recognition of the real truth because them find true and genuine support, powerful support, you know, with knowledge of the internet. We can expose people and certain other things because you really don't know. You see, men has create their own destruction. What can I say? You see, use it to your advantage. You see, don't make it take advantage of you. As some you see it. You see it, Rasta. But yet still, nobody make any of them effort here. Try use them life. Try challenge them sort of issue here. How much time you could have did lose? I mean, how much time, how many other things you attempt with far more capital and feel, and you're still alive, innit? You see, because you just know, so you have to make them effort and them step in and them challenge you in the interest of your future, and in the interest of your offsprings and things like that. See, what about being, like your dad was a president, so you can be a president too. Your dad was a leader of the nation, so you can become a leader too. See, which one of them guy, a popular guy, if them the truth. I saw them think they go, they're not going on that. You see, but yeah. Yeah, Rasta. Until we understand what caused this, then we now have no way to understand anybody else out there are challenging the status quo, the system that hold us down and maintain the sort of depravity here. You see, where a lot of us black people are enjoy and act like so well then. You see, it's a joy. All the other race take advantage of us. You see, them no wish to be racist or try be abrasive or try be, capitalize on with naivety and with ignorance. But I mean, it's business. It's freaking business. Why not? You see, it's a market. We all need growth and we have a personal interest at art. You see, but we are the one where act like so we can decipher the code. You see it, which is far simple and easy. You see it. All you have to do is just have self-love. Appreciate yourself. I mean individual love your community, your everything was connected to you, Rasta. That means it will eventually mean something to you. You see it. I see it. You see it. Ain't no one there I try, You see, make it look like some I take black people feed. I like black people don't understand and you have to talk down to them like children. Because basically that I find myself eventually I do. You know? Like I try patronize a child where I go up on the road. Oh, don't cry. Are you? You're not supposed to do them thing the rest of we are adult people in a humanity. You see, we are adult race in a humanity. You see, even every other race except how we are talking about, man. You don't see it. You don't see it. It's not hard. And nothing about not saving no money. And you have to have true love and respect and adoration for yourself and other people. Will invest in your star. You don't see it. You don't see it. And respect you too. And don't try challenge every move you make. Like I say, life is a business. You know, see, you people will always see you as a target if you portray yourself as such. As so it go. You know, see it. Until you becomes powerful enough now, well, as a victim of bullies and bullyism and brutalization now as a nation, as a race, you just go out there, you set the record straight and set the standards straight for other races too who might find themselves under the cash time after time. You know, see it. I just saw the thing go. You know, see it. You know, see it. Yeah, we are left it there for now. You know, give thanks. But we need that about us. We need that. You know, see it. And you know, see it. Yeah. Enough of our leaders them is affected by that egotistic thing where in order to feel good about themselves, they have to have somebody to feel better than. You know, see it. And there's nobody else them can attempt to feel better than them. Each other down the so them use the knowledge where them have and make it look like because me know it and you don't know it or I feel the way I do or I am of the opinion that I am of and you are not. You are an inferior being. You are the reason why other people look at us the way they do. You know, see? Nonsense. Bullcrap. A science has been implied on our people, on us, and still is being reinforced. And, you know, today, yes, it's being facilitated by other races on a whole, mostly unconsciously as well. But, you know, we need to face our reality and challenge these issues. And I give thanks. You see.